Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we've got our first gaming PC build on the channel. We've got a Ryzen 5 3600X, we got an RX 570, we got 16 gigabytes of RAM, we got a 250 gig SSD, and a 2 terabyte hard drive. It's not the newest, but it's not the fastest, but it will do, I hope. Let's start building. Here we have got Valorant, where we range about 160 FPS, sometimes it spikes, as you can see, sometimes it goes to 146, 150, but the average is 160.
Deploying drone. Shot down.
Enemy spotted.
Neutralized. Take flight.
Last player standing. One
Perfect.
enemy remaining.
Scanning ahead.
Next we got Rocket League. It's all maxed out and we average about 144. It does not go below 130, which is perfect for a game like this. Next we've got Call of Duty Warzone. It's at its lowest settings, but it at least looks good.
Your team, soldier. That's gas you don't want to breathe. Make your way to the safe zone. Hostile dropping into the area. Try and
Here we've got a CPU test to push it to its max. So if you get the chance to buy a PC or build a PC like this, should you go for similar specs? Well, if you can't find anything to buy and you find something similar to this, it would work. Can it still game? Yes. Can it still work? Yes. So overall, it's still on. If you want to buy a PC for an affordable price, check out Technogon, link in the description.